Hi, I'm Mimi Magarelli, and welcome to 20 Premium Point, better known as Oak Island. This home is situated on half an acre in the middle of Premium Mill Pond. This house has over 7,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms and 6.5 baths. It features stucco exterior and a terracotta tile roof. It also features many exterior terraces and its very own stone bridge. So let me show you the inside. The arched entryway leads you to the main living spaces, which consists of 3 rooms, the formal living room, a beautiful sunroom, and the dining room. The sunroom is defined by its Palladian windows, which take advantage of the spectacular views. It has marble floors, a wet bar, and room for a baby grand piano to give beautiful accompaniment to any sunrise or sunset. Original detail also abounds in the living room. It has a picture window with banquette seating. It's a great place to take in the wildlife that inhabits Premium Point. And there's also access to a covered terrace. But the true focal point of this room is the hand-carved 15th century fireplace surround. Though generous in size, the living room is intimate, making it hard to leave. But there's so much more to see. Feast your eyes on the detail in this room. After all, it is a dining room. Just look up at this barrel ceiling with hand-carved plaster molding, and the Zubair wallpaper that transports you to a different place in time. And this door to the terrace allows you to have open-air dining. Let me show you where all this food is prepared. This Christopher Peacock custom kitchen is a chef's delight. Incorporating the view makes even washing dishes a dream. Beautiful wood cabinets, granite countertops, high-end appliances, and double islands complete the kitchen. And the adjoining family room has Palladian windows that echo the style of the original windows in the sunroom, and with the same incredible views. A beautiful circular staircase takes you to the 2nd floor and this primary 3-room suite, consisting of a beautiful home office, a bedroom, and a spectacular bath. Ensconced in fabric, the bedroom is pin-drop quiet. With this oversized picture window, you can just wake up and enjoy the view. And you can open up the doors to the terrace and take in the saltwater breeze. And on the cooler nights, you can sit cozy by the wood-burning fireplace. And the adjoining study has custom wood millwork and a decorative plaster ceiling. And the principal bath is fabulous. A stone herringbone floor, dual vanities, and a soaking tub with the best views in town, making this principal suite an island spa getaway. There's nothing like the peace and tranquility of living on your own island. And this pristine luxury home makes this a unique opportunity. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?